Dinner is served.
Who do you think I am?
Nala. Finna eat this good old eating right here. These old chicken foot.
I ain't eating nothing.
Yep, that's right. Sit on down, baby. They waiting on you.
They.
I meant the chicken's waiting on you. Girl, that's good eating right there. For real.
Baby, no shade, but I won't have this touching my mouth.
What the fuck? No, it's chicken. You eat it all the time
If I wanted
anyway.
to eat fingers, I would have ate my own fingers.
What the fuck? Girl, you eat chicken.
I know, dog.
It's just chicken.
I'm not in this.
This ain't for dogs. This for humans.
It's giving.
It ain't giving. No, it ain't giving no damn dog. You eat chicken all the damn time. Go ahead now.
Maybe after seeing this, I don't want no more chicken.
Girl, we love chicken over here. Come on now. Try it, Nala.
Not over here.
Try it.
Not in this area.
Nala, try the chicken foot.
Foot?
Yeah. No, they chicken
They
foot.
not be coming with me.
No, they
They
chicken
will not
foot.
be going down my stomach.
Girl, they good for you. Guess what? They got a lot of collagen in them too. They make you stay
I don't
young.
know what that means, but
Make you stay looking young.
I can do that on my own.
No, you
I
can't.
won't be eating those.
Nala, eat the damn chicken foot.
I know you hungry. You eat them for me.
What the fuck? You know I'm hungry. You damn right I am.
You want them, so go ahead.
What the fuck?